Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on Lottie files. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our profile by clicking on the icon in the bottom right corner. Now we're going to click on the settings button in the top right corner and we're going to select edit profile. We're going to click on the plus sign that has our profile picture in it. And we're going to choose camera roll because we're going to pick a picture from our camera roll, but you can take a photo in real time and you can go to your photo library. But we're going to select the second option, camera roll. And for example, you want to upload this picture. So you can zoom in or zoom out and center it however you like. When you're done editing it, you're going to click on choose. We're going to wait for it to upload. And now we're going to go back again. As you can see, our profile picture is now changed. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.